And a very good evening and welcome to KTN Business News on this Monday. My name is Abi Agina. The Competition Authority of Kenya has commissioned a second audit into how banks price their products. The move comes barely a year after the competition watchdog carried out an audit on banking sector structure, which found that it supported competition. The fresh audit could make banks more accountable to customers and possibly unearth restrictions that have previously hindered choice. KTN's Michael Karanja kicks off our bulletin.
The relationship between customers and their banks has for long been a rather cold one. Customers have in the past viewed banks with suspicion as to whether they are provided with adequate information to make them make the best choice. Through the audit, the Competition Authority plans to investigate the industry, which has for years been accused of exhibiting cartel-like behaviors at the expense of customers. The Competition Authority hopes to look into banks' disclosures to customers and consumer protection issues with a view of eliminating possible restrictions of customer choice. Banks have increasingly come under scrutiny from the central bank for high cost of loans that have slowed down the growth of the industry. CBK Governor Patrick Njoroge in his last address questioned the rise of interest rates to a weighted average of 17.4%. The competition watchdog will also be looking into whether there is information lopsidedness that disadvantages consumers, whilst also checking if banks disclose all the facts needed on specific products and services. The new probe is the second phase of ongoing inquiry into possible anti-competition practices in the banking industry, which has long been accused of colluding to high cost of loans. The Competition Authority will also be taking a keen interest in credit reference bureaus to find out if there exist disparate treatments that gives them anti-competitive advantages and inhibits consumers' ability to take advantage of their own data for financial access. The audit will also check if banks place hurdles for customers who want to migrate from one institution to another and document costs involved while users switch providers. Michael Karanja, KTN Business.